If you are in the supermarket and searching for juice, you are trying to buy juice, you probably see two options. NFC, not from concentrate, and from concentrate. Personally, I always try to buy the juices that are NFC, not from concentrate. I have one here, NFC, not from concentrate. But is it better? What's the difference? And what actually means that from concentrate? And turns out that from concentrate means that what it sounds. It's basically made from the concentrate. The concentrate is basically the same juice, but without the water. In the manufacturing process, they basically take the juice, heat them up, but you don't want to heat them up into very high temperatures. So they are heated in a very low pressure, basically almost in a vacuum. And in that environment, water evaporates under the lower temperatures. And what's left is basically like a slump, like a syrup, but more dense. And that is the concentrate. And that is being done because, financial things. If you have the juices in one part of the world and you need to ship that to another part of the world, it's very expensive because something like 90% of juices is basically water. For example, in the orange juices, 88% of juices are water. So that's a lot of additional weight. So if you evaporate that water, you lose a lot of weight and you can ship everything more easily and cheaper, basically. So when that concentrate that is evaporated in one part of the world gets into another part of the world, somewhere near where you live, the factory that is there basically adds back the distilled water and get back to that concentration in which the juice should be. In all of that evaporation process, juices loses a lot of things. First is the vitamins. But the vitamins usually are added back in the natural proportions like they used to be. Another thing is juices get back to the original chemical form, let's say, as they should be. But one thing is missing, and that is aroma. And aroma is also added back. From what I heard, that is added back in the natural ways. For example, if you have orange juice from the concentrate, they basically add back that aroma from orange peel oils and things like that, which is kind of natural, but it's also processed. So I don't know, but yeah, they need to add back that aroma. And you have basically juices from concentrate then. It's up to you to decide if that sounds like a juice. It sounds like, for me personally, it sounds like a juice drink, but I don't know. But on the other hand, we have that NFC not from concentrate and what this means and how it is made. And turns out it's not that different. Of course, it is not been, water has not been removed from those. So water stays all the time in the juices. But to press the juices, you have a very short window. Let's say if you press the apples, they are ready to get pressed and turn into the juices in the August. Oranges are ready in the winter, and you have a very small window to do that. So usually they are pressed, they have been pasteurized. So what it means, they are being heated up, so all the bacteria that it is there will die, and basically it won't get bad. Then they are stored in huge containers. I always thought that they are basically spilled into smaller packages and being shipped to the supermarkets, but turns out they are, a lot of times, they are stored in huge containers for a long time, sometimes even up to a year. And then they are gradually being packed and shipped to the supermarket. But in this process, we also lose vitamins. because we heat up the juices and we store them for a very long time. Some aroma is gone, so it is very usual to get some artificial aroma, just like in those concentrate juice. So when you look at the process and compare them, are they very different? Not really. The only difference is that in the concentrate juices, we evaporate the water and have that slump and add the water back later on. In not from concentrate juices, we do not have that step, but all the other steps are kind of similar. So yeah, I'm still buying juices. I'm trying at least to buy juices not from concentrate, because sometimes it's hard to find juices not from concentrate. But it's up to you to decide which one is better. One thing is for sure, that juices that were squeezed like a day before or this morning is very different from the juices that you have in the packets in the supermarket. So now you know a lot about the juices, but do you know why warm water cleans things better than the cold water? I have a video about that. So see you there.